This is Chris Andreessen with a Caltrans District 9 News Dash. I am out here on US Route 6 just south of Benton, where crews are working diligently to repair a section of guardrail along the roadway. Replacing and repairing guardrail is a continuous effort for Caltrans as old sections are brought up to code, like here in Benton, or the rail is damaged in a traffic incident, such as what happened on this stretch of Highway 395 in Mono County. Replacing guardrail is a team effort as maintenance workers remove old rails, pull outdated posts from the ground using the multifunctional guardrail truck, and dig new holes for the replacement posts. When complete, this new guardrail will comply with California state standards, and crews will move on to the next section of guardrail that needs attention. For your Caltrans District 9 News Dash, I'm Chris Andreessen.